Our mattress was finally delivered, and this is what the packaging looks like. The box was pretty compact, however, it was very heavy. It was pretty easy for us to open it and, well, unroll it. It started to inflate immediately after we unrolled it, and so that was pretty neat. We did leave it to rest for a few days before, because one thing we noticed was that it had fumes coming off of it, and so we just left it to let it air out and also poof up to the poofiest. This mattress has been sitting for some time now. We did allow it time to poof up, and I've had quite a few day naps on it. We haven't actually had a full night's sleep, but I come in here in the days to just relax, and I just want to show you how comfy this mattress feels. Well, you have to judge based on the look, right? So it's, what should I say now? It's plush, but not too plush, and it's not too firm. And this is just from sitting on it. And then if I lie down, you'll see how the mattress contours my body. It is very, very comfortable. And like I said, I've had quite a few day naps in this bed. I mean, you can see we're still under construction in here, so we still have the plastic over it when nobody's in here or when work is going on. But right now, I just want to show you guys how nice this mattress is. And I want to talk a little bit more about the top as well, because this is a Euro top, right? If you look closely, you'll see the separation. So it's not really a pillow top, it's more like a Euro top, and this is where the gel foam is. And on top, the fabric that they use on top is so nice and soft, right? So that makes like that makes it so much better. But I love this mattress, really love it. We got it in a king size for this bed that we built, and this is a dream come true, guys. You couldn't ask for a better mattress than this. Definitely recommend this mattress.